All right, we're in Fort Morgan. Definitely a small town here, but it's nice. And we got this building, and it has an elevator in it. It's a Schindler RT. Nothing special, but of course, it's an RT is nice. Might be a Westinghouse? Let's see. It's got the bumper. Oh, this might be a Westinghouse. Huh. This is interesting. Yeah, I actually think this is Westinghouse. Look up there. This is an interesting looking whatever on top of there. I don't know what all those like patterns are for. Whoa. Stuck my hand out forgetting it has a bumper, not a sensor. Oh. Nudge, nudge, nudge. I'll have to see what year this was put in. What interlock is that? That's an Adams interlock. I don't even know. Alright, up we go. Oh, that doesn't work at all. There's the button. Ground floor, I think. The down arrow works at least. This is at the Bill Larrick building. Yeah, I actually think this is a Westinghouse. Let's see here. Phone. Rath Microtech phone. Yeah, look, it is Adams interlocks, not Schindler or Westinghouse ones. So I don't really know. I'll have to look at the records and see the year. Ow, I definitely did not just hit the wall. Anyway, that's it.